Hi. Okay guys, so I'm back again with another 10 Looks 1 palette. This time it is on the Alien palette. I'm wearing Mannequin by Jeffree Star, the lip liner. I've been testing those, so a video will be coming on those in the future. But I wanted to cover a couple things before I start. I don't have music in these because I got a copyright strike, so I don't do that anymore. And I just edit around my eye for seamlessness. I don't edit the actual eye color. So on to the palette. I thought it was gonna swivel, but it can't. It's actually on like a, I don't know what you call those, like a hinge or whatever. It's not swivelable. It's very large, covers my whole face, as you can see. I'm looking in the mirror to make sure my lips are good. So, I like this palette. There's a lot of follow on it. Every color in here is nice. I had a little bit of trouble blending out Area 51, which is the purple. The thing that I'm not liking about this palette is, realistically, it's pretty much a neutral palette. If you cover like these two, this one's already cracking actually. These two, this one and this one, it's like pretty much a neutral palette. This one's not super neutral, but on the eye it is. There's a couple other ones in here that are like muted. So it's, I really wish that with an Alien palette, for me personally, I would have expected like neons and like really different shit like that. But this is a little, frankly, it's a little generic. I don't want to be like negative, but it's a little generic. The only thing that's different for me is the green colors. And the purple is the one that you like can't use around the eye because it's like a pigment instead of an eyeshadow. Other than that, the shimmers are all really nice. Lots of fallout with them. Fallout doesn't so much as bother me though, because it is what it is. If the product is pigmented, who cares? But this is really huge, and I did buy this because I have a makeup setup and it's all displayed nicely. It didn't used to be like this. I'll have to show you guys maybe sometime. But I have these little palette dividers, and I'm going to put this one at the back like this so you can kind of see like the alien eyes peeking above. I think that'll be really cute. But regardless, it's a good palette. I just wish that I had a lot more hopes for it when I saw the photo. I wish that it was more neon. I wish that it was more... I wish that it was I wish that it was less neutral, honestly, but that's whatever. It's still really good. It's the same formula as Blood Sugar. I really like Blood Sugar, and I do like this. I just had a lot more inspiration from Blood Sugar. I think if he had have done, I would have preferred, personally, a whole, similar to how Blood Sugar is a whole red palette pretty much, I would have preferred a whole green palette. Or a whole green and purple palette. That would have been dope. Like if he did neon greens, shimmer greens, forest greens, duochrome greens, if he did all these greens and then, similar to Blood Sugar, had like green neutrals, like he has red neutrals in Blood Sugar, red tone neutrals. If he had green tone neutrals in this, I think it would have been a lot more cooler. And the alien eyes do dent in, for anyone wondering. I've been trying to get mine out, but I think I can. Okay, I got it. Okay. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Do you like my Carby t-shirt? I don't know if you could see it. It's like Carby, like Fat Barbie. I had a boyfriend that used to call me a fat Barbie because I'm proud of being fat, but whatever. Anyway, have a great day, guys. Bye.
How you gon' rap with just fine on what your mouth? But I'm about to make you bow down to the queen of the south. Fake bitches, you was real hood to say my name. But bitch, I'm calling you a hoe and I'm saying it to your face. Keep your real pump, all the hood already know. That's why they fucking your ass, let a hoe be a hoe. Chicken dance, you know what you know, go open your mouth. But slip and slide, then begging me to fill up the spot. Yeah, I don't suck small holes and you suck on the dick. Tricking all around town, trying to hate on the bitch. Now hoe, what you gon' name it, baby? Baby, man, I love you, Lil Weezy, but that ain't your baby. Riding back a rolling bitch, couldn't even have no bit. Lil Weezy, tighten up, boy, I had your babe. I got a pussy dissing bitch, but I rhyme my undies. Independent fucking major, and I'm serious, bitch. I'm with doctors I can talk to. As long as I own, man, I'm a thug. You know I'm rapping, I'm strong. Bitch, I rap from the hood. Ho, I come from the street. That's what happens to a bitch to try to fuck with a queen.